It can be hard to be creative in PowerPoint 365, but once you've got a little bit of a structure of what you want, you might want to use a feature in PowerPoint called Design Suggestions, which is part of Copilot, to actually start to make your slides look a little more attractive. This is particularly helpful if your organization doesn't have a branding or style guide, if perhaps you're your own business, etc., or you're just wanting to create a presentation from scratch and you're not using a branding guide. So the easiest way to do this is to switch on Design Suggestions. Now, it may come up automatically with your presentation. So I'm just going to click on it to activate it, and it'll take a moment, and what it's going to do is come up with some information. So these are particular options that I could have. So for example, maybe I don't want this title slide, maybe I want to change that to monthly sales report, and then get rid of this slide instead. And have that as monthly sales report. So let's just have a look. It's given me a variety of different options that I can choose from, and you've also got an option to see more design suggestions. I might just choose this one here, and in here I could actually put in presenter. Okay, and then I go to the overview page. It's giving me some options here as to what I might want that to look like. I'll choose this one. Sales by region, let's see what it comes up with. I might want something like this. No, maybe I don't want that. Maybe I want something like this. And then what you might want to do is just make sure that you're checking and choosing design options that keep the presentation consistent. So I might actually go back to overview and see if it offers me up. Yes, it offers me up one that looks like that. So this means it's keeping my presentation totally consistent. Grab that one and I'll come back. This is still a work in progress, of course. As you can see, it hasn't quite picked it up exactly the same for that one, but that'll be fine. So that gives me a foundation for my presentation that gives me all the formatting, etc., and then I can come in and add my relevant text. When you're finished with design suggestions, you can simply click the cross in the right hand corner in the navigation pane, and it switches it off, and you're good to go and fill in the rest of your presentation information.